Making an impact. Impressions through telephone and video calls. Hello there, future communicators. In today's video, we're diving into an often overlooked but vitally important part of effective communication: the impressions we create through telephone and video calls. In our interconnected, digital world, mastering this skill is more critical than ever. So let's get started and explore how to make a positive and lasting impression through these remote communication platforms. It's said that you never get a second chance to make a first impression. This statement holds true for telephone and video calls as well. During these calls, your voice, tone, clarity of speech, and even the background noise or visual environment can create an impression about you in the listener's or viewer's mind. In the absence of physical cues, these aspects take the center stage. Therefore, we need to ensure we present ourselves professionally and effectively, even though we might be miles away from the other person. Over a telephone call, the listener cannot see you. They form impressions solely based on what they hear. A clear, confident, and courteous voice can project a positive image. Be sure to speak at a moderate pace, enunciate your words, and avoid using slang or overly complicated vocabulary. Background noise can be very distracting and create a negative impression. Always ensure you are in a quiet environment when making or receiving calls. In contrast to telephone calls, video calls give you the added advantage of visual communication. However, this also means there are additional factors to consider. You should be mindful of your background, lighting, and personal appearance. Choose a neutral and tidy background, ensure your face is well lit, and dress appropriately. Remember, your appearance and environment reflect your professionalism. Your body language also plays a vital role in creating an impression. Maintain good posture and eye contact. It's easy to forget we're on camera, but keep in mind that every movement is visible and can shape the perception others have of you. Ultimately, good etiquette in telephone and video calls revolves around effective communication. By considering your voice, vocabulary, environment, and appearance, you can convey your messages more effectively and build stronger relationships with your listeners or viewers. Remember, effective communication isn't just about what you say, but how you say it. Every call is an opportunity to project a positive image and make a lasting impression. That's it for today, folks. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and impact of telephone and video call etiquette. Remember, these seemingly small aspects can create a big difference in how you are perceived. So take the time to practice and perfect your telephone and video call etiquette. Here's to making a positive and lasting impression. Stay tuned for more tips on improving your English and communication skills. Happy learning!